the raccoon has come to visit the new feeder. Now, I did spill some stuff when filling up those feeders, probably right in that area, so not surprised that he's found it. What I'm most interested in is, will he try to climb it or not? Oh, little goldfinch there. The goldfinches love that finch sock, filled with Niger seed. I just bought the finch sock exactly as is. So let's see. 1, will he try and climb it? 2, if he does, is the squirrel baffle going to work on the new one? If he takes down the bird bath, I'm going to laugh. It's a pretty bird bath, just bought off of Amazon, but it is kind of small. He hasn't actually been coming into my yard quite as much, because I think my neighbors have actually ended up just befriending him. I see them sitting out on their porch, throwing probably food at him, or her. Let's be equal opportunist here. To the raccoon. Okay, good. Rather, the raccoon didn't try to come up on my porch. Oh, he took a peek. That was a chipping sparrow that just flew up from the ground by that other feeder. There is part of me that has considered a ground platform feeder, just back in the bushes back there, for the raccoons and squirrels and groundhogs, all the critters that aren't the birds. There's a downy woodpecker that just went up onto that one soot block. Okay. And it looks like he's going to wander back to the neighbors. Probably. Yep. There's that downy woodpecker. I get them and the red-bellied woodpeckers visiting. I actually heard and saw from quite a distance another woodpecker up on a power pole this morning across the street. It certainly wasn't a downy woodpecker. It was way too big. And honestly, it didn't really seem like one of the red-bellied woodpeckers because it was just so dark, but that could have just been the shadows. But I'll keep an eye out in the future to see if I bring anything else in.